Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I've just posted that Microsoft rolled out the latest Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2 for this month, which is KB5101650. I'll leave the video for that linked because there's quite a bit going on. But just to let you know, in regards to the update, that Microsoft now has paused the rollout of the update for some Dell PCs due to an Intel driver issue. So just a quick video to give you a quick heads up if you do find yourself running a Dell-based system. Now, Microsoft has this officially to say over on its known issues health dashboard page. So this is a known issue. Microsoft says that after installing the June preview update, which was this update, KB510165093, which, by the way, did cause a couple of other problems for users after installing the update. So after installing that update, Microsoft says a limited number of Dell devices might display a yellow exclamation point in the device manager next to the Intel Innovation Platform Framework Processor Participant Driver. Okay, so that's the issue. These devices can potentially experience unexpected shutdowns, poor performance, increased heat, and battery drain. Microsoft carries on to say that this issue was reported by Dell during testing and identified as an incompatibility between the Intel driver and the new Windows USB-C Connection Manager interface introduced in the June preview update, KB5095093. Microsoft says we are working together with Dell to prevent the affected models from experiencing the issue. Now, because of this, the next steps Microsoft says to mitigate this issue, the July Patch Tuesday update 511650, and that's for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2, will not be offered to affected devices while Microsoft works with partners to resolve this issue. And Microsoft says it plans to release a resolution for affected devices in the coming days. And obviously, when that happens, I'll post and let you guys know. And the affected platforms are Windows 11 version 25 and 24H2. No other platforms are affected, according to Microsoft. And just take note for everyone else, if you are not running a Dell-based system, the update will continue rolling out normally. And if your Dell PC has not been offered the July 2026 security update yet, it may simply be because Windows Update detected the affected Intel driver, and as mentioned, Microsoft has temporarily blocked the installation to avoid the known issues. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.